To set up your input and output, you will start by pressing and holding the P key. Then press the down key until you reach the setup menu. Press P to enter. You'll once again change the code to 2207 and then press P to again enter. You will then want to enter into the Input/Output submenu. Press P to enter. For this example, we will scale to frequency out. Press the P key to enter, and then once more to change the frequency. You will then have the option to set up the flow units for your maximum frequency. Press P to enter once set. You will then scale your frequency for the full scale, followed once again by pressing P. Select Yes to store your values. You will then press OK to proceed, and then exit out to the main menu. If you choose to scale your analog out instead of your frequency out, follow the same steps, once again pressing P to enter into the Input/Output menu. You will then cycle until you see milliamp out. Press P to enter into the menu. You can scale for density, temperature, batch count, and flow. Once you have selected those units, press P. You can scale it according to 4 milliamps. Your next setting is for 20 milliamps. Once you have completed your settings, you can exit out to the main menu.